Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Under the Kusum Yojana, there was a mess in Garhwa. Even those who applied were not benefited. The middlemen of the Agriculture Department have introduced a new feast. Those who have not submitted application to avail the benefits of the scheme were also made profitable, while the farmers who were eligible were waiting, also excluded from the list. The inquiry team formed by DC Rajesh Kumar Pathak has submitted its report regarding the irregularities in the Kusum scheme. Shocking facts have come out in this report. 16 cybercriminals arrested in the account of updating KYC. In Jharkhand, which has become a stronghold of cybercrime, the police has also put all its strength to curb such criminals. Wherever there are reports of cyber criminals that police gets involved in this arrest, especially the police of Devghar district on the intervening night of 28 to 29 October 2020, two police teams raiding 16 cyber criminals. In the interrogation, he has made many shocking revelations. Subodh Khan attacked BJP, said Grand Alliance candidate will win in Dumka and Barmo. BJP people cook only famous casserole. Former Union Minister Subodh Khan Sahai practiced in street plays and election campaign in support of Congress candidate of Great Alliance Kumar Jaimangal Singh in Barmo Assembly by-election. Nukkad Sabha was organized in the residential office premises of Uday Shankar Sinha, the founder of God is One organization located in Sunday Bazaar, in support of Congress candidate of the Grand Alliance Kumar Jaimangal Singh. During this, the chief guest, former Union Minister Subodh Khan Sahai, attacked the BJP fiercely. Police arrested 5 Naxalites associated with the PLFI. Many recovered. Police managed to arrest 5 active members of PLFI militant organized by conducting raids in different police station area of Simdega district. The police has recovered 2 pistols and 9 live cartridges from the arrested Naxalite. 7th executive month of decline in production of basic industries. Poor performance in sectors ranking from natural gas to cement. Continuation of decline in the production of 8 basic countries continued for the 7 consecutive months in September. Production of basic industries declined by 0.8% on year in September due to the poor performance of the crude oil, natural gas, refinery products and cement sectors. However, this is the lowest decline in the production of their industries since March. In September 2019, there was a decline of 1.1% in the production of this basic industries. BJP government wanted to end CNT SPT law. CM Hemant Soren targeted former CM Raghuvar Das and his government. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has said that the Raghuvar Das led Bharatiya Janata Party government want to abolish the CNT SPT Act, but he strongly opposed the government's decision and saved the CNT SPT Act for being abolished. Chahu Guru Padma Shri Pandit Shyama Charan is no more husband. Sergela style. Chahu Guru Padma Shri Pandit Shyama Charan Pandit died on Wednesday night in the private hospital in Ranchi. He was running ill for the first few days. Pandit Shyama Charan Pandit was originally from Ikka village in Rajnagar block. He was currently living in Bengaluru with his family. Capital will be divided into 7 zones. Inner ring road will be built. Once again in the capital, work has been started on the plan to construct a circular ring road. Draw of zonal development plan based on the master plan of Ranchi preparing, keeping in mind the population of 2037. The FTA has been prepared in the draft. Ranchi will be divided into 7 zones and the land will be used for the development of city and the land will be marked for the Staff Selection Commission is giving the candidates a chance to change the center. In the wake of corona epidemic, the Staff Selection Commission is giving candidates a chance. Candidates of CHSL 2018 to be skill test. Now the candidates can change their exam center. If you want to change your exam center and choose the center as per your convenience, the SSC CHSL 2018 skill test is scheduled to be held on 26 November 2020. If the candidates wish between October 29 and November 1 to go to the official website, which is ssc.nic.in, you can change your exam center. In this website, you will get the options to change the center. Ration card provides 10 kg of food grains to the elderly every month. Ration card is one of the important documents in India. Through this, the government provides food grains to the people under subsidy. Along with this, the government has announced to provide food grains to the millions of poor people in the country by the next November through the same One Nation One Ration Card scheme in the corona era. However, this news is also that the government is busy preparing to extend its deadline by March 21. If you are also planning to buy jewelry for Karwa Chauth, then you should know the ways to provide profit booking or cheating of shopkeepers. Keep a close look on shopkeepers' bill. Customers have to pay only 3 types of charges. Complaint against the shopkeeper for adding an incoherent charges to the bill. Jewelry is not made from 24 karat gold, and always take the original bill. How to avail EPFO WhatsApp helpline service and solve problem. The Employees Provident Fund organization has recently started a WhatsApp helpline service to solve the problems of its members. Through its services, members of EPFO will be able to solve their problems quickly and they will not face any kind of problems. According to the Ministry of Labour, this facility is in addition to the other facilities provided by the department. Their facilities have been started in all 138 region offices of EPFO. If you did not see the blue moon on October 31st, then you have to wait 19 years. A rare coincidence is being made on this Saturday, that is 31st October 2020. First of all, this day is full moon. Sharad Purnima will also be celebrated on this day. The second thing is that 31st is also Halloween. And the third thing is that after a long time it is being a coincidence that there are 2 full moon in the same month. In such a way there will be a blue moon on October 31st. Google changed Gmail logo after years. Unhappy users changed to troll. Google has recently made major changes in the logo of many products including its email service Gmail. In the new Gmail logo, the icon envelope has been removed. Now the Gmail users will only see the letter M in the Gmail logo, which is made up of 4 colors: red, blue, green and yellow. Earlier there were only 2 colors, red and white, in the Gmail logo. Although Gmail users are unhappy with this decision of Google. PM Modi condemns terrorist attack in France, says India is with France in fight with terror. He said on the attack, I strongly condemn the terrorist attack in France, including the attack in church. Our condolences are with those families members who had been victim of this attack. India stands with France to fight against terrorists. COVID-19 updates. With 10,75,760 tests conducted in the last 24 hours, the cumulative tests have crossed 10.65 crores. Nearly 11 lakh tests have been conducted daily on an average during the past 6 weeks, said the Government of India. Weather updates. In Ranchi, temperature will almost be 70 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.73 with a decrease of 0.07 and diesel up to rupees 74.58 with a decrease of 0.09. Special about today. On 30 October 2013, 44 people were killed after a bus caught fire in Mahbubnagar, India. On 2019, Kashmir officially loses their autonomous status, their flag and their constitution as India brings it under federal control. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.